west.
I have to be careful when I wear blue. Sometimes I just kind of blend into these maps, and this morning, hey, that is the case with this graphic behind me. But let's take a look at yesterday's almanac. It was a pretty warm day, sunny and beautiful throughout the afternoon. We reached a high temperature of 81 degrees, and that was after starting at a temperature of 55 degrees in the morning. So both of those are above average. We typically start at 48 on a morning like yesterday or today and top out at around 67 degrees. So we were about 15 degrees above that. And it's going to be even warmer today. We're starting out warmer than we did yesterday, and we will top out with some of the warmest temperatures of 2023 overall. So here's a look at the temperatures where you are this morning. Most of us hanging out in some form or fashion of the 60s, though we have a few outliers. 59 is the temperature right now in George West and along the coastline. Naval Air Station Corpus Christi coming in with a reading of 71 degrees so far this morning. So with that, the change in temperature, we have a few differences around the coastal bend weather-wise too, with the visibilities dropping in a couple of areas, some patchy fog, but not nearly as problematic as yesterday. Part of that reason, our dew point temperatures are pretty close to the actual air temperature in some communities like our northern coastal communities down in Hebronville, so that's why they're seeing the fog out there, reaching something called saturation, where those little water particles in the air get suspended. But today, the difference is our winds, they're around 5 to 10 miles per hour, so that's enough to kind of keep things mixed up and keep those suspended particles problem-free for most of us this morning. But how's the rest of your Wednesday looking? Well, here in Corpus Christi, we are going to warm up quickly as we head into the lunchtime of the day. We will be in those middle to upper 70s, some places already reaching the 80s, and I think by the middle of the afternoon here in Corpus Christi, 3 p.m., we'll be sitting at 83 degrees with those winds around 20 miles per hour. So even though it'll be breezier, we'll still warm up because it's a south wind that tends to keep us warmer around here. And I think overall, high temperature of 85 degrees. So warm and sunny is the name of the game, but that won't be what we see tomorrow. But let's talk about the temperature. I think today we'll hit 85, and so far that's the warmest temperature we've reached in all of 2023. That happened on January 3rd, so I think we'll tie that again here. We haven't had much in terms of rainfall, and I don't think we'll see much of it. We've only recorded it officially once at Corpus Christi International Airport. That was this past Sunday, 0.05 of an inch. I don't think the cold front we're expecting tomorrow is going to lend us much in the way of rain. Right now it's just outside of the Lone Star State, but we will be making its way to the coastal bend as we start tomorrow morning, and you can see the dry air on moisture tracker behind that front. Windy and dry conditions mean we'll have an elevated risk of fire weather. So today our fire weather risk is low, but I expect that to increase as we head on into tomorrow. So putting things together in your 7-day forecast, very warm today, high of 85. We'll flip the switch tomorrow, only topping out around 73 degrees, leading us off to a pleasant weekend.